Ever wondered how your car turns smoothly around corners? It's all thanks to a little mechanical marvel called differential gears. These hidden heroes play a crucial role in your vehicle's maneuverability. Well, buckle up. We're about to delve into the world of differential gears. Differential gears, or diffs for short, are an ingenious piece of engineering. Nestled within the axle of your car, these gears play a pivotal role in your vehicle's movement. They allow your car's wheels to spin at different speeds, which is particularly crucial when making turns. When you navigate a bend, the outer wheel has to cover a greater distance than the inner wheel. Differential gears ensure this happens seamlessly, providing a smooth and controlled driving experience. In short, your car's smooth turns owe a lot to these little mechanical marvels. So, how do these differential gears work their magic? Let's break it down. Imagine a car moving straight. The power from the engine, transmitted via the drive shaft, reaches the differential. Now, inside the differential, the power meets a set of gears. These gears are designed to divide this power equally between the left and right wheels. Simple enough, right? But what happens when the car takes a turn? The magic begins. Because the car is turning, the wheels on the outside of the turn have to cover more distance than the wheels on the inside. This means they need to rotate at different speeds, and this is where the differential comes into play again. It cleverly manages this difference by allowing the gears to rotate at different speeds, thus ensuring smooth and safe turns. And that, in a nutshell, is how differential gears ensure your car can take turns smoothly. So there you have it, the secret behind your car's smooth turns. Differential gears, the unsung heroes, allow different wheel speeds and make turning a breeze. They're an intricate part of your car's mechanics. Thank you for watching the DIY Automotive channel. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such insights into the fascinating world of automobiles.